Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of S. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look inside this equation, that's just like about capital A to the power of capital B. The answer to find this one, we see that on the right we have number 1. So in this situation, we will have about 3 situations. The first one, that's about A to the power of B should be about 1 to the power of A. Some kind of number in here, A just be likely anything number in here. And number 1, that's about capital A equal to number 1. The next one, A to the power of B. So in this situation, A to the power of number 0. So A can be anything number in here, and B should be about number 0. And the last one, capital A to the power of B equals to negative number 1. And A in here should be about even number. So we will have about 3 situations to get the value number 1 in here. So for the first one, so in this situation, capital A, that's about this one in here, should be equals to number 1. So we put number 1 go to the right, go to the left. So we have s squared minus 7s plus 11 minus 1 equal to number 0. This one you got about 10. So we calculate about this equation, and we will have about 2 solutions in here. That's about s equal to number 2 and s equal to number 5. Now we go to the next one. For this one, so that's about capital B equal to number 0. So that should be about this one in here, equal to number 0. So we find the solution of this one, and we will have s equals to number 6 and s equal to number 7. And the last one, so in this situation, capital A equal to negative number 1, and later that we put the value of this one go back to B to make sure that they can become about the even number. So I will put negative number 1 on the left, and we have 2 solutions in here. That should be about s equals number 3 and s equal to number 4. Later that we put number 3 and number 4 go back in here. So when s equal to number 3, so I will put number 3 go in here, and we got number 12. Number 12 is about even number, so we can accept. Now let's put s equal to number 4 go in here. So I need to put number 4 in here and number 4 in here. And we got about number 6. So that's about even number, so we can accept. And now the solutions of this one, that's about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the final answer we need to find. This is the end. Thank you for watching.